Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps low code no code development training. In the last session we talked about how to work with offline store with SAP Build Apps. I hope you enjoying this video series on Build Apps low code no code development training. As we speak, we have attended and stored all our data in an offline store. In today's session we are going to discuss how can we configure charts in SAP Build Apps. Charts are very much suitable to show massive data in more of a holistic view as a overview to the business user. It gives a 30,000 feet overview for the business user rather than delving into the details, nitties and gritties of the data, a broad perspective in terms of their business. For example, at Anubhav trainings, we have different variety and number of courses. My top management wants to know how many number of courses were sold in our training and what was the total collection achieved per module. To be able to do that, rather than dumping a data in a table, I would like to show an interactive chart. And for that, what we have done is we have configured the chart application already in Build Apps. So let me show you the solution, what we have done for achieving it. We went ahead and we created a new screen called preview. In the preview screen, we have added the so-called chart control. I think it's the analytics screen. Let me go back to check the screen which we had used. So I will switch over to all the pages and you can see these are the different pages which we have configured and it's the course analytics screen. So here I have added a chart control and in fact two chart controls. One is a bar chart and one is a pie chart. When we go to the chart control binding, we have mapped the course name on x-axis and the total number of course count on y-axis. Similarly, for the column chart, we have mapped the course name on x-axis for a column chart and total fees collected of each course as a measure on y-axis. When we test this application, we will now get a holistic view of total number of orders which were made by customers, and based on that, a, a perspective will be created for most demanding courses. We have integrated the page with the purchase analytics. I click on that and voila, you can see we have our top selling course as SAP Build BPA training. Superb. 28% of the people have liked this course. Then the second top selling course is Fury App Extension Training. Apart from that, we have Workflow, Analytics Cloud, and Customer Experience. So this gives a beautiful perspective and overview to the business in terms of how our businesses and different courses are performing. Of course, with the based on order status and order data. If you want to learn end to end how to design these kind of applications, you can think of subscribing our SAP Build Apps training on anubhavtrainings.com. With that, thank you so much for joining today's session and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy building and goodbye.